My name is Roci López. I am a general dentist at Virginia Family Dentistry. I decided to become a dentist thanks to the advice of my dad and my mom. My dad was an anesthesiologist. My mom is a lawyer, but she's also an artist. So I really wanted to follow something that I can help people like my dad was doing. But they saw me enjoying when I was little, doing artistic things with my hands and crafting and all that. So my dad just told me that maybe why I don't combine both, like helping people with something that is, I can use my artistic abilities. And that's why he said that maybe that is gonna be like the architecture in the mouth, trying to just do dentistry, and I'm happy that I did it that way because right now it's my passion. I was born and raised in Colombia. I finished my dental education in Colombia in 1996. Then I did 2 master's degrees in public health and prosthodontics over there. And then I moved to the United States, and in order to get my license, I went to VCU, to the international program, which I finished in 2016. And then I started to work here at Virginia Family Dentistry. I also received additional training on treating patients with sleep apnea. People is struggling a lot because they don't sleep well, and next day they don't have enough energy, or sometimes they create another health problems that are serious, like heart attacks and dementia, Alzheimer. What I'm doing right now is working with sleep doctors to create a device that you can use in your mouth, and that is gonna allow you to sleep better and reduce the risks that are creating because you had sleep apnea. Outside of dentistry, I love play tennis and spend time with my family. I have 2 younger kids, both girls, and we do a lot of activity with them. We love traveling outside of the United States and just meet new cultures and enjoy our lives.